Welcome to the in front of me Realme Narzo 50, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago on our device, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my finger with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock works here so fast, so that is a really good result for the face recognition feature here. I just suggest you to try the face unlock method here, but I'll try one more thing because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see does this unlock method works just with the glasses. So yes, we can see that just we have no any problems to do that. That's why I just suggest you to try the face unlock method here, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the PIN code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.